Yellow YouTube. I finally figured out how to make a sound, and I am finally free and I can make a video, which is just great. So I'm going to be playing Adopt Me and actually telling you what pets, because I've actually had an upgrade. But first I'm gonna go into Royal High and spin the wheel because, yeah, just haven't done that today and I really want to do it, which is just right, and half of my friends are not online. So this video will in this video, I will be just quickly going, I will be just quickly, doing this, and then I'm gonna adopt me and show you what I have, like what pets and that, and then I will go on to Bloxburg, see if my friend is still there. And just so you know, guys, I will still be posting. It's just that I will be busy, and sorry for my game, it takes forever to load. Just waiting. Finally, it decided to load. I got Price Wave 2 because I basically have all the ones on Price Wave 1. So hopefully when I upload this, it will have sound. I need to say thank you to my friend. She was the one who told me about the sound because my microphone off. So that's just good. Oh, and by the way, yes, this is a flying broomstick, but you can only get it if you have the flying pass on Earth. So when you get it, you'll be holding it in your hand, and then when you fly, you will be riding it. But my game is laggy. It is taking there, finally. And there are 3 different positions. One where you lay down, one that's like that, and the other is this one. See if I can get flying down. Yeah, this one. So they're the 3 ones. I'm going to look in the fountain. Maybe I'll be lucky today since I have sound, which is just right. This takes forever. I'm just gonna make a wish. Hopefully, wait, I actually kind of like this new fountain thing. Like, really? Oh my god, my thing won't charge. Okay. So, you whisper your wish to the fountain, but hear a weird mumbling sound in return. You try to brush it off, but the sound grows louder until a zombie appears behind you, yelling, "Brains!" You react by gonna invite her to the cab, because I've already done the giving candy. It does not give you a hat. Sadly. Okay. You invite the zombie to the cafe to get to know her on the walk of death by asking about her interests. You order cupcakes for 2 of you and beg her to try one. She gives an irritated stare but bites the cupcake. And just gonna skip that one. Suddenly a smile appears on her face and she says, "This isn't as good as brains, but I like it. Let me pay you back before I leave." You insist she doesn't have to, but she still ends up repaying you diamonds for her meal. Not bad. I'm sad that I didn't get the halo, but I'm happy that I got diamonds at least. Okay, so since I've done that, I am going to go on Adopt Me. But actually, no. I'm changing this. I'm not gonna go into Adopt Me. I'm just gonna go straight into Bloxburg. Because I've never done a Bloxburg video. Like, the only videos I've done is, Adopt Me, right? For some reason, I keep on forgetting. There are a lot of new updates out of everything, and why will this not load off? Okay. Now, I actually know her personally. She's not just an online friend. And yeah. Oh, also, I want you to check out my friend account. Her account is Ella Play, so make sure you subscribe to her. And please, I want more subscribers, not forcing you. It's just that I am very low. I have a low amount on my channel because my channel is not very popular, and I understand. So yeah. And just so you know, all my friends call me a chair. Since she's not just so you know, I call her dog. You know what's up? Just telling her I'm recording for no apparent reason. Wait, I'm gonna ask if I can actually. Wait, should I actually ask to be in the roleplay or? Okay, first I'm gonna show my house because that was what I originally planned to. Yeah, probably not. Well, I'm not really good at building my house, so I'm gonna have to like thank my friends. Like, they helped me build this, so like this area is floor, this area is roof. Yeah, this is my little coffin I sleep in. Well, I could sleep on the bed. This is my YouTube work area. This is where I work on my YouTube. And yeah, so I haven't been posting in a while. So yeah, the power box, I control everything from there. Yeah, I don't like that door sensor. Like, I need to walk all the way. I'm just gonna quickly get rid of it. Since I bought it with V-Bucks, I can't get rid of it. Yum. Alright. Well, there's a big bubble. Put it wherever the bubble is. That's how big the thing is. I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna have to do that. Go back into it. No. Aha. No, I don't want to go. I want to get. Yeah, see, it's in my inventory because everything you buy with V-Bucks, you can't, like, yeah. So, yes. Oh, actually, I do watch Perk. I just randomly answered that. So, yeah, this is, then there's an excellent, and my friends actually helped me, like, build most of it. Like, they helped me with the roof and like the inside. So I'm gonna have to say thank you to my friends, and I'm gonna have to thank my friend because one of my other friends, because she gave me like $2,000 on this game. I know I'm like really poor right now. So yeah. Oh yeah, I can pay the bills. Sadly, I am turning broke. Okay, that's basically. Oh right, I forgot. This is the playground. I can't get rid of it. I can only like stock it in my inventory. Yeah, the slide's dangerous. Just saying. I might post this. I might not. I don't know. It depends. I don't know actually. please. I really want more subscribers. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna leave the game because there's nothing better in life to do. Actually, I might rejoin it after. Okay. So, that's the game of my friend from school. Make sure if you want to friend me, I'll give you a couple of seconds to look at my username and memorize it. But yeah, I have lots of friends, which is like, wait, how many friends do I have in total? I think I have more on my, okay, I have 78 friends, so, okay, let me just show you my friend. Oh, this is my other friend, Lacey Cakes. Who else? Oh, Princess Ella is the owner of Ella Bella Plays account. So she owns the account, and this one, Unicorn Power, is one of the people that helped me. You know, in the game how I showed you doll. Oh yes, she finally online. Where? I said I was gonna give her Robux, but I'm kind of like broke right now. Okay, she is an adopt me. Before I end this video, like, she's been begging me to put her in one of my videos. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna ask her like to call me, because if she I'm laughing so I can't speak up. Okay, we are gonna go into Adopt Me, and I've been waiting forever for them to update. There's an update coming and it's taking hours. I thought it was like minutes, but it's actually like, last time I checked it was like 15 hours. 15 or 14 hours last time I checked. But yeah, I changed around my house. Good for me. I'm also kind of poor because, like, yes, the dog on my head is Doge Jr., just letting you know. I love my wallpaper. If you don't know, I love cats. Like, just saying. Like, my house isn't really that big, like, at all. Which makes me kind of sad. And, like, I'm just gonna view the invitation, but no. Don't go to parties that, like, don't go around to parties like one of those bidding things like, if you pay the most, I'll give you this pet or something, or they say, if you pay this much, I'll give you like this legendary dragon or something. I actually fell for that once, and I gave them like $1,000 and I had to pay my friend back. See, you like my wallpaper and floor? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna teleport to Lacey, because I can. Let's call her Lacey. I'm gonna say hi. Hi. Oh, she just left me. Oh, Lacey. Hi. Friend. I'm report. Oh my god, I can't spell. What the? Oh. I'm just like, I'm gonna invite her to my family, because, like, why not? Yes, say hi back. Okay, let's go to I'm just gonna pick her up and start running for dear life. Yeah. Just saying, I love llamas as well, so I really hoped like they would have like a llama update, but sadly no. Now what's my house? I'm just gonna. Okay, I'm getting tired right now, so I'm just gonna. Yeah, don't ask me why I have like a flying neon penguin. Like, no, I wanna fly it. I wanna fly. There we go. Okay, let's go. Da-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na. Okay, nobody, like, no, this hard. I'm just gonna, like, stop ride, please, for dear life. I'm stopping for dear life. I'm trying to make a neon sloth. It's, like, not going well, so yeah. Yeah. Da-na-na-na-na. How sweet. Hey. You. Anyway, I'm gonna end the video of here. I'm gonna lock. Yeah. Don't mind her. Okay, guys, comment if you think she's crazy because she literally traded a legendary unicorn for a damn ride potion. Just so you know, I do not swear. And yeah. Hopefully this video will have sound because if it doesn't, I'm gonna like die of sadness. So anyway, that is all for today, guys. So yeah, bye. I can't take this anymore.